we are gonna put an end to this right now, boys. There's lines everywhere though. Dude, one of the reasons I wish I were taller.
This felt too.
So as you guys just saw, we went into Dick's Sporting Goods and I picked up 2 baits. Those 2 baits being the Yum Dinger and the Yamamoto Cinco. If you guys bass fish, you probably already know where this is going, and you've probably fished with either one of these before. Today we're gonna be doing a test where we take the Gary Yamamoto versus the Yum Dinger. I made a video on this before, and a lot of you guys commented saying that it wasn't a fair comparison, that the baits weren't the same size, they weren't the same color. And when I made that video, it kind of worked out that way. I didn't really plan to make that video, so today I'm putting the full test down. We have the same size bait, the same color bait, so they're both 5-inch Cincos, and they are green pumpkin color. So they are the same color, same everything. And here's the lowdown. If you guys don't know the difference between these two or why I'm doing this video, it's because these guys right here are $8.99, so you're looking at $9 a pack. And these ones right here are $2.99 a pack. The reason I chose these two is one, because Gary Yamamoto is like the OG for making this bait, and Yum I feel like is the most frequently used, I'm not gonna say copy, but style of this bait too, if that makes sense. So what we're gonna be doing is, I have a buddy here, he's actually filming me right now. I'm gonna be fishing the Yum Dinger and he's gonna be fishing the Gary Yamamoto. We're gonna do a 1-hour competition where for 30 minutes we're gonna fish these Texas rig. We're gonna be using the same hooks, the same sinkers, practically the same rod setup. And then the next half an hour, we're gonna be using them wacky rig. So I bought all the stuff. Everything is the exact same. So this test can't get any more, you know, perfect, I guess, to compare them. I have terrible vocabulary. The main things between these 2 baits that people always, you know, confrontate about, is that the right word, Josh? Confrontate? Is that a word?
Just go with it, man.
I'll
it's
go
your
with
video.
It. So the reason people beef about these is they say that these are a lot stiffer, they are cheaper, but you get what you pay for. These guys right here, you can't beat the action when they fall, and they just are something that fish really can't resist. So I know I kind of just BS'd that, I'll be honest with you. But no, the fall action on these are actually phenomenal. If you guys have never seen a video, maybe I'll link one down in the description, but there is a big difference in the action of this bait. But in my personal opinion, from me using them, I think they work equally as good together. So today I'm gonna be using a Yum Dinger. Josh is gonna be using the Yamamoto Cinco, and we are gonna see, you know, which bait is better. And the reason we're just gonna see which bait's better. I'll explain after the competition's over. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna kick this off starting by doing it Texas rig. I'll show you guys what that is if you don't know. We're gonna be using, like I said, the exact same hooks. So right here we got 2 3-aught EWG hooks. And do you wanna go weightless with them? Or do you wanna go weighted?
Let's go weightless. We'll
go weightless, okay. So I'm gonna give him one, I'm gonna give me one. We're gonna tie these on real quick. Do that here. And unfortunately, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I don't have a GoPro for Josh to be wearing, so everything's gonna be on this GoPro, but that should be okay. I mean, if he catches a fish, like, I'll walk over there, or we'll get it figured out. This is not like a crazy challenge or anything like that. We're not against each other, we're just testing this out. So you're going Yamamoto? All right, so Josh is taking Yamamoto, I'm taking the Yum Dinger, and we're just gonna see what happens. I chose 5-inch. I feel like people tend to go with 5-inch more than anything else. They make a 4-inch too, and Yamamoto actually makes a bunch of different sizes, like little Ned rig sizes and stuff like that. But they're the exact same color and everything. And guys, if you guys, before you start hating on this video and leaving comments below, this is just a complete test. I'm not trying to bash brands. I know I made this clear in the beginning, but you know, I love both brands. They both are good for the fishing industry, but I just don't want younger kids to get discouraged and feel like they can't fish a cheaper bait because, you know, the big dogs on TV or something told them that they have to use the most expensive thing out there. Same thing with fishing rods and stuff, and that's like a big thing on my channel. I really promote, you know, cheaper ways to go about doing it, because what's important is you know, getting out there and fishing. So here we go. If you guys don't know what a Texas rig is, this is a typical way to rig a worm. You're gonna go like 1 centimeter through the tip of the bait. You're gonna go up into the cut of your hook right here, twist, turn it around, and there's always like a little cut in these baits, and you just push it right through the tip of there so it's flat, and voila, you got yourself a Texas rig. You rigged up there? Alright, so while he's almost there, I'm going to show you guys right now. It is currently 2:59, so that's perfect. So at 3 o'clock, we are going to start this competition. From 3 to 3:30, we're gonna be fishing Texas rig. And then from 3:30 to 4 o'clock, we're gonna be fishing wacky rig. So those are the two most popular ways that this bait is fished. And I think that's the best way to test this out. So if you guys disagree with anything that we're doing here, if you don't think this is a fair comparison, then I don't know what to tell you, I give up. But yeah. Did you? Oh, uh-oh. Does he actually got one? Yeah, he's got one. Yamamoto 1. Yeah. There's one. Oh, he got off. You sucker. Oh, Josh has got another one over there, so that's 2-0. Got 5 minutes till wacky worm. All right, so now we're moving on to the wacky rig, which is the second way we're gonna be fishing this. We got another 30 minutes. So far, the Yamamoto is winning 2-0. I've had bites, just haven't linked up. So we're gonna see if we make a difference. Fishing the wacky worm, bless you. Thanks, bub. All right. There's one. There we go, baby. Two to 1. Catching up. All right, Yamamoto 1, or no, sorry, Yum 1, Yamamoto 2. This could turn around real quick, buddy. We're now on the leaderboard. Well, not the leaderboard, but we're on the board. There's one. There we go. Tied it up. Girls and boys. Just annihilated that. Yamamoto 2, Yum Dinger 2. Man, these are just little dings today. Bunch of little squeaks, eh? Little baby bass. Now we are tied up. Will it be a draw? Who will come on top? Will it be the Yamamoto or the Yum Dinger? If my rod doesn't want to tangle up. Oh, but it does. You know, I hate mono. I forget how much I hate mono. Oh, yes. Oh, you got it. Uh-oh. Oh, he lost it. Oh. Ooh. That could have tied it up right there. That honestly looked like a bluegill, didn't it? Yeah. I don't even know if that was a bass. 10 minutes, Josh. 10-minute warning. No pressure. Oh, there's one. He whaled that. Wow. I was not expecting that. Uh-oh. We take the leaderboard. Away you go. Uh-oh. Are you nervous, Josh? All right, guys, so final recap on the day. I ended up catching 3 fish on the Yum Dinger, and Josh ended up catching 2 on the Yamamoto Cinco. So at the end of the day, guys, I'm not gonna say which one was better. That's not necessarily how it's always gonna go. One day you may catch more on this, and the other you may catch more on this. But the point of this video was to show you guys that these baits work equally as well, and I wanted to kind of prove the point that you know, these baits, don't be discouraged to buy something like this. For $2.99, that's a killer freaking bait. I'm not hating on Gary Yamamoto or their prices or anything like that. Just there's a lot of younger anglers out there that don't have the money to spend $10 on a pack of these. These being $3, you can get 3 of these in 3 different colors, you know, for the same price as this one. So hey, I think these baits are both really great. I don't think you should be discouraged on fishing a cheaper bait. This is a really good comparison in my opinion. Maybe not every bait is as quality as these two are right here for the price. But hey, if you guys like this, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I made that as fair as I possibly could. We fished the same style. We fished the same setups, the same line, the same hooks, everything we possibly could to try and debunk this myth here. So there you have it. 3 fish on this today, 2 on this. Hope you guys like this video. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like if you like this, if you think I should do more comparisons on baits. You know, leave a comment down below on what baits I should do. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.